I've found the titles I need in Catalog Plus. But how do I get a library card now?
No problem. I'll show you how to use your RWTH BlueCard as library card. The most important information on how to register is available on our website. The RWTH BlueCard can be activated to serve as library card in RWTH's self-service system. Please note that multi-factor authentication is mandatory for RWTH single sign-on. A help page for activating the BlueCard as library card can be found on this website. Here are some important links to help you register at the University Library.